Welcome to episode 10 of the ServiceFlow AI Marketing Recipe Series. In this session, we focus on ServiceFlow AI video messaging, curated customer-specific video messages that make marketing and sales feel more personal. The goal is not to create random videos. The goal is to use video as part of an agentic growth system where the right customer receives the right message at the right moment through email, SMS, chat, or another ServiceFlow conversation channel. Slide 2. The important shift is that video messaging should not sit outside the marketing process. It belongs inside the growth loop. The marketing agency can decide which customer segment should receive a video. The video agent can create the message. Email, SMS, and chat agents can deliver it and respond to replies. Then revenue intelligence can show whether that video produced a reply, a meeting, a booking, or a sale. Slide 3, think about the ServiceFlow video messaging page as a personalized landing experience, not just a video player. A customer sees a short video made for their situation with one clear call to action. It could explain a package, a quote, an event, a service recommendation, or a next step. The video becomes a bridge between static marketing content and a real conversation. Slide 4, this is where the marketing agency capability becomes powerful. The system already starts with exploration and strategy. Who are we talking to? What do they need? What offer matters? And what outcome are we driving? Video messaging simply becomes one of the execution channels. Different customer groups can receive different video messages because the strategy is already structured inside ServiceFlow. Slide 5A, practical video messaging recipe has 6 steps. First, a trigger happens, a new lead, a quote, a booking gap, a webinar registration, or a past customer becoming inactive. Second, ServiceFlow personalizes the message using customer context. Third, the video is created. Fourth, it is delivered through email, SMS, or chat. Fifth, the agents follow up. Sixth, the system measures what happened. Slide 6. The best use cases are moments where a personal explanation creates trust. A new lead can receive a fast welcome video. A quote can be followed by a video that explains value, not only price. Event promotions can feel more curated. A demo can be summarized in a short recap. Past customers can be reactivated with a message that reflects their actual history instead of a generic blast. Slide 7 video becomes even stronger when it is connected to the rest of the ServiceFlow agents. The marketing agency chooses the audience and campaign goal. The video agent creates the message. The email agent sends the rich message. The SMS agent sends a simple link and catches replies. The chat agent continues the conversation. The CRM timeline keeps the full story together. Slide 8. The next practice is curated, targeted video, not mass video blasting. The future is micro-audiences, message packs, conversation-aware personalization, and closed-loop measurement. You create variants for different objections, industries, locations, seasons, and lifecycle stages. Then the system learns which videos actually create replies, appointments, bookings, and margin. Slide 9, start small. The first deployment should focus on 3 recipes: lead response video, quote follow-up video, and reactivation video. These are easy to understand, easy to measure, and directly connected to revenue. Once those work, ServiceFlow can expand video messaging into events, webinars, post-purchase education, and customer success journeys.